it's got to lay in there nicely. And then, can you come over this way? I gotta get this tab down and turn it a little bit, I think. Where's that dirty fat sucker? There's the really, really dense
These
one.
ones look
So
pretty
these,
taco, these three.
so that way.
Sure.
I mean, I'll be able to get it off again if we ever have to do this, but. Oh. I gotta go up.
Oh, yep. Make sure your rubber sprayed. Looks like it.
I feel wetness.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.